Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, a Blazor WebAssembly or server app in Node. JS installed. Once confirmed, install Tailwind with npm and add build scripts for development and production. Create a Tailwind. Config. JS and a src/styles/tailwind. CSS containing at Tailwind base, at Tailwind components, at Tailwind utilities. Then integrate the generated CSS into your Blazor project by referencing the compiled CSS in index. HTML or host. CSHTML, so the app load. Continue by configuring Tailwind's content/purge setting to scan. Razor. CSHTML, HTML, and component folders so unused CSS is removed in production. You can use Post CSS with Auto Prefixer or the Tailwind CLI. Both generate a minimized CSS file. Then add npm scripts for dev watch and production build and wire them into your CI or publish pipeline. Once done, run the dev watcher while you modify components to confirm utility classes, render instantly, and file changes trigger CSS rebuilds. Finish by applying Tailwind utilities directly in your Razor components and, where useful, create reusable component classes for consistency. Make sure the compiled CSS file is referenced correctly in the host page and that publishing copies the CSS to www root. If styles don't appear, first rebuild the Tailwind output, confirm content paths include your Razor files, and clear browser cache. If issues persist, run the dev watcher and inspect the compiled CSS to verify expected utilities are present. That typically reveals any misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.